the largest Indonesian textile exhibition titled Indonesian Textiles Exhibition, which was held for the first time in the city of Bern, Switzerland from 4 to 8 September 2024, successfully attracted more than 2,000 of Swiss visitors.
Quilting, which is the art of combining several layers of fabrics to form a certain pattern, was combined with the motifs of Indonesian batik and had successfully produced beautiful quilt creations with an Indonesian touch. Quilt Bern has successfully curated more than 70 quilt works produced using batik materials provided by PT Batik Semar Indonesia. In his opening remarks, the Indonesian ambassador to Switzerland and Liechtenstein, Ngurah Swajana, stated that this exhibition was one of the main channels in introducing and promoting Indonesian textile culture in the international arena. In the exhibition, Ben Hartbart, a Swiss citizen who has produced and preserved the art of songket weaving through PT Songket Ben Hartbart, also displayed dozens of his songket fabrics. Implementation of the Indonesian Textiles Exhibition received a very high appreciation from local residents. The Indonesian Textile Exhibition also succeeded in becoming the talk of the town in the neighborhood.